put it on the bridges. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Well, look at these ones have a different stripe.
Brown. Daddy, these have different stripes.
Oh, very good.
Mommy, I'm gonna put it on first.
That's okay.
It didn't come off.
It's on the tree.
Easy. Daddy, do you want some candy canes?
Oh, thank you.
Daddy, you didn't try these ones, the different ones.
Can I get one now?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.